Hey everyone, welcome to IEEE RAIT, which is your destination to learn something new in each video. In today's video, we will be making traffic light using Proteus Stimulator. In the simplest form, traffic signals are a set of three lights facing each lane of an intersection. The three lights, namely red, amber, and green. Proteus is used to stimulate, design, and draw electronic circuits. The components that we will be using in our project are Arduino Uno and 16x2 LCD. Arduino Uno is a low-cost, flexible, and easy-to-use programmable open-source microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P microchip. It can be integrated into a variety of electronic projects. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with an AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. You may be wondering what a 16x2 LCD is. The part 16x2 means that the LCD has two lines and can display 16 characters per line. Therefore, a 16x2 LCD screen can display up to 32 characters at once. It is possible to display more than 32 characters with scrolling through. Once you have opened Proteus on your device, you can name your project and then we can get started. The first thing that you will come across after naming your project in the Proteus is the Proteus design sheet. We move to the component option and select the elements that will be required in our project. On components mode, you will see two buttons, P and L. If you move to the P button, you will see Pick from Libraries. It is used to select different components for circuit construction. Type your components for a circuit. The components we choose are Arduino Uno, LED green, LED yellow, LED red, and a 16x2 LCD display. After the selection of components, make the circuit layout of your project and connect all these components with the wire. Arduino IDE is where we will compile our codes for the traffic lights. Arduino IDE is an open source software designed by Arduino.cc and mainly used for writing, compiling, and uploading codes to almost all Arduino modules. The main code, also known as a sketch, created on the IDE platform will ultimately generate a hex file, which is then transferred and uploaded in the controller on the board. Once we are done with the coding on IDE, we will go on the File option, select Preferences. Thereafter, we will click on Compilation and press OK. When the code is compiled, we will copy the hex file that you will find as shown in the video. After copying the hex file, we will paste it in the program file by clicking on the Arduino. Voila! We have made a traffic light using the Proteus stimulator. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to us for more upcoming amazing videos. Stay updated by clicking on the bell icon. Thank you and happy learning.